What's up mga bro? Welcome to another episode of What's Inside the Bag by Lut. Actually, this is the first episode. This loot bag traveled all the way to my hometown, Alegria. So, na-travel pa siya sa south. So, let's see on sa sulod ani nga loot bag sa Cokaliong run full speed 30. It's full speed at 30 day 2019. First is kani the obvious finisher shirt. Next another kunang ni special mamon for snacks. Next nameless bihon, good for Christmas party. So Christmas party mo guys, pwede na siya. Not one but two mamon. Okay, snack biyahe. Black Mamba, wala ko try yan pero lami mo siguro ni. Next we have Super Delights Brownie Bites. So dakan food. Okay, next. Oh, ito na. Triple double. Hello Panda, among sponsor sa kuan Aligar Breakaway Challenge last week. Thank you guys. Uy, sabon. Nice kini. Okay, si JC na o si Jassy in the background. Next, Green Drops Menthol Candy. Next, Great Taste Kape. Drug majority food guys. IPI Casino Alcohol. Kanina yung papel. Saan papel? Storage down. Saan may siya? 100 ko rin guys ha. Reminds me of Storage Wars. Kung ano mga permit na. Okay. Dapat diri. Nagaraya. Dapat diri yung customer. Orange Brutus, our breakfast. Gapon. Thank you. Mulupad. Kayangin. So next, ano ba? So next, ano lut. Okay, hello Panda again. Lah, pansit kanton, lucky me. Brushag 7-Eleven, no? Or guys, ano ran, nagkansalag so Presto creams. Kanin sa ni? Ay, gamit ni sa nabuwagan. Malkis Olis. Di ko sure sa ni. Biscuit. Uy! Another bihon. Gaman sa Christmas party. New Year. Oh. Medianoche ninyo. Nga. Ay Tablea. By Don Pepe. We're down to last 3. Black Mamba again. Guarana. Sige, ito na yung talawa na niya. Kaya mag-recovery run na me later. Next. Nagaraya. Onya water, nature spring water. Kani siya guys, ma-reuse mo ang loot bag nila, diba? When you go, nice green, color green, waterproof. And that's it for my first ever What's Inside the Bag by Lut. See you in the next run.